Alam nyo ba kung gaano karami ang sugar sa isang bote ng soft drinks? So, Gerson.
Ang sabi sa nutritional facts, per 100 ml serving, it's 10.6 grams of sugar. So, pakita natin yung calculation. 10.6 grams per 100 ml. So, 0.106 grams per ml. Since ang total ng isang ganito is 500 ml, so we multiply that with 500. So, the total grams of this bottle is 53 grams
Of sugar.
of sugar. Kita ka na?
There you go, guys. One bottle of a soda.
500 ml,
Ganito karami ang sugar niya.
53 grams of sugar,
At ganito karami yung cubes of sugar.
12 and a half cubes of sugar, and 13 and 1/4 teaspoons of sugar.
Yes. So, pag minsan, di ba, nakakasobra tayo ng sodas, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi tatlo, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Ibig sabihin, ganito
Times
karami,
3.
multiply by 3. Ganito karami, multiply by 3. Alright?
So,
So,
be healthy,
be healthy
well.
and be well and stay happy.